We got some more light in here now. Looks like maybe a clock will go there. Trying to give you an idea of what to expect in this museum. Let's see, we'll go the elevator shaft over here. So the exhibit on that side. We'll go in here first. Looks like a cool room. Nice little costume zipper. So that's the drafting room.